So, good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again another day, another set of problems and tutorials here in engineering mathematics. So, parabola tayo. For today, last two problems tayo ng parabola, then proceed tayo sa discussion of ellipse, then solve problems, no? Okay, sige. So, problem number 5 to. Problem number 5 na tayo. Tama ba? Number 5. The curve y is equal to a negative x squared plus x plus 1 opens. Yan. So, itong equation na to, y is equal to negative x squared plus x plus 1. Yan ay parabola. So, sana for now, alam na natin kung paano natin madidistinguish kung parabola ba, circle, ellipse, or hyperbola yung curve na binigay sa atin, no? So, anyway, para malaman natin kung paano nag-open yung or paano yung behavior ng parabola, paano yung graph niya. So, reduce natin siya sa standard form. So, pwede natin gawin is yung x yung i-transpose natin, x squared minus x, okay, is equal to negative y plus 1. And then, plus negative y plus 1 plus. So, ito, parang negative 1 divided by 2 is negative 1 half squared. So, plus 1/4. Tapos, dagdag natin yung 1/4 dito. So, meron tayong x minus 1 half squared is equal to negative y minus 5/4. So, tinranspose ko lang to, pero kapag inano mo to, parang lalabas din negative y plus 5/4 lang yun. No? So, ginawa ko lang ganyan para mas madali nating ma-distinguish. So, since yung curve niya symmetrical with respect to the y-axis and yung right side of the equation, itong hindi naka-square, tandaan nyo lang sa right side lagi ng equation yung hindi naka-square, negative naman siya, so yung curve niya opens downward. Okay, so ang sagot dyan ay letter D, downward. Okay. So yun ang sagot natin. Para malaman nyo lagi yung behavior ng graph nyo, lagi nyo i-reduce sa standard form. Kapag binigyan kayo ng general equation, i-reduce nyo lang sa standard form. Okay? So, alam ko na-discuss ko na kung paano yung technique or paano lang yung kailangan yung tandaan, kung paano nyo masasabi kung paano yung behavior ng graph ng nyo, no? So, ulitin ko lang ulit. Kapag ang equation mo, dito na siguro sa baba. Kunwari, meron kang equation na y squared is equal to 4ax. Yan. Itong, yan, kunwari may graph ka. Itong left side the equation mo, naka-square yung y. So, ang itsura ng graph niya is parang, at tinatawag na perpendicular yung mismong graph dun sa, with respect kung sa kanya, kunwari dito, ito yung y-axis mo, yung naka-square niya yung y, so buka niya either dito or dito. So malalaman mo lang yung buka niya kapag positive yung left side, yung right side mo, yung hindi naka-square. So dito siya. Okay? Kapag ka negative to, ito. Okay? So kapag naman x squared is equal to 4ay, ang bukan ng mo, since ito yung naka-square, yung sa left side mo, yung x yung naka-square, so dito siya. Either pa ganyan or pa ganyan. Okay? So, ito, since positive, dito siya. Kapag dito. So, dito, yung graph niya opens downward. Ganito yung tsura niya, no? Since itong equation mo na to is positive, no? Nag-positive siya. Tapos positive din yung, it's negative naman yung right side niya. Opens downward yan. So, either pa ganyan yan. Ganyan yung itsura ng graph niya. Okay? Sige. So, next. Last problem para sa parabola. So, find the equation of the parabola with vertex at 4, 3, and focus at 4, negative 1. Sige. So, paano ba natin sinusolve to? Ganitong problem, may binigay sa ating dalawang element, no? Yung dalawang element is vertex and focus. So, alam natin, i-try muna natin i-drawing yung graph, no? I-plot natin sa Cartesian plane. So, let's see. Yan. So, 4, 3. Sasabihin natin dito siya. Nandito. Okay. Next, focus for negative 1. So, sabi natin 4, negative 1. Sabihin natin dito. So, ang graph niya pa ganyan. Yan. Ang pangit. Gamitan ko na lang nito. Yan. Sabihin natin ganyan. So, dito malalaman din, maano din natin na yung value ng A niya is 4. Okay. So, base dito, ang standard equation niyan is x minus h squared is equal to negative 4a y minus k. Bakit ganito? Right side ng equation is x, so positive pag ganyan yung buka. Tapos negative siya, kaya opens downward. Okay, i-plot natin x. Ang sabi dito, vertex is, yung h na is 4 squared is equal to negative 4, 4. Y minus 3. Okay, get? Sana nakuha to. Ang center pa rin ng is designated pa rin as HK. So, ito siya, HK. Yung A niya, ito siya yung distance ito. Ang A is distance from the vertex to the focus. Laging tatandaan, yung 4A, siya yung latus rectum. Okay? So, expand lang natin. X squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to negative 16y plus 48. So, further simplification, lalabas sa atin is 32 equals 0. So, yan ang sagot natin. Yan ang general equation ng parabola. So, I believe it is letter minus X D. So, madali lang naman siya, guys, no? So, that concludes our tutorial in parabola, no? So, next natin is ellipse. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, after this, ellipse tayo, then next hyperbola. So, tapos na yung natin sa analytic geometry. So, siguro this week, tapos na natin yung analytic geometry. Then, proceed tayo sa next engineering mathematics. So, yun. Happy watching, keep learning, and padayon engineers.